In this video, we will show you how to install bed hooks on this Ford Ranger. The process for one is the same for all. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. The first thing we'll have to do is remove each of these two Phillips head screws in the center of this. A quick inspection and you can set that aside for now. At this point, have a look along the bottom here. You're going to find that we have this yellow bracket that will come down, which is threaded. You'll also find that you have this adapter bracket. With this in the fully down position, continue on by putting this in the proper placement, coming down at an angle, continue swooping it down and into position. To continue on, take hold of the hook area here, lift this up. After that, your two Phillips head screws, start them in and snug them up. Double check to make sure it's completely secure. Okay friend, we showed you how to install one of your assemblies. As I said at the beginning of the video, the process for one is the exact same for all. Once you've done that, go ahead and test their functionality. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.